How to put a lock on photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Press and hold the application you want to lock from here. For example, Photos. Here, tap on Require Face ID. This app will now require a Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. Then, tap on Require Face ID again. Over here, you can view the apps where your photos may appear without Face ID. You can change this in privacy settings. Tap on Done below. Now, go back and open up the Photos app. As you can see, Face ID is required to open this app. Following these steps, you can easily put a lock on photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.